This is what rut sounds like. So, Cystic Betty, what a nickname, huh? Cystic Betty is in heat again, and it's been probably 5 days since the last time. This one here. And so these boys are nuts. And Bristol's always like that. Hi, my bliss. Hi, Brownie. What do you want? He goes, let me have the girls. Let me have the girls. See how she's standing right there by him? So I'm going to go ahead and feed them and give her a big shot and put them in early. Hi, baby girl. Oh my gosh, you guys are nuts. You just want my attention? She's hollering, hollering, hollering for me. She's eaten. She has plenty of hay, clean water. She's been out to browse. But she just hollers and hollers unless I'm looking straight at her. Look what Mama Cochin has. Isn't it fun? You sweet thing.